Excuse me, sir. You have a delivery for you.
Oh, okay. What's this? It's in Series 7 Starlight aluminum case Starlight Sport Band Apple Watch. That's pretty cool. Since I got this thing, how would I unbox it with you guys? Let's see. Let's do what we have to unbox the box. So I guess I have to do this. Oh, that was easy. And another clip. Yeah. Whoa. This is gonna be extreme. Hey, we have 2 boxes in here. Let's keep this aside. I guess this one is the screen and this one is the band. So this is the Starlight Color Sport Band and this is the Starlight Color Apple Watch screen. First, let's unbox the Apple Watch screen. Let's see how we unbox this thing. First, we'll remove a sticker right here. Yeet. Let's keep that aside. We'll remove another sticker. That was easy. Now I guess we just open it. Alright. Whoa. Whoa. This is cool. Let's take out this thing. Be careful. Slowly. Let's see. Let's remove it from... Okay, so apparently this is just a paper case, so we can just tear it apart. Oh, that was very easy. Whoa! You see the apple thing on top? Whoa! This is so cool. iPhone, Apple Watch, something written in Japanese, I don't know. Whoa. Now, this is an instruction manual. We'll keep that aside. We don't need it for now. And I think this is a wire. A wire and a cable and stuff for the Apple Watch. Looks pretty cool. White. Right, we'll keep that aside. We don't need to charge it right now. Now, since we've completed this, let's, I don't know, open the band. First, let's just take off the sticker like we did in the previous one.
Keep it here and then...
And then, I guess there's only one sticker. So, this is the bigger one, and this is the smaller band. And this is the one where you clip the band to it. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Stop.
Alright, so since we have the bands, let's take the Apple Watch screen. Let's handle this carefully. So let's set this up. Apparently, the big one goes on top. So that's what I'm doing. And then the smaller one goes on the bottom. Whoa! This is the best Apple Watch I've ever seen in my life. Whoa! So cool. So, apparently my dad will connect this to his iPhone 13 Pro. And after that, in another video, I'll show you the functionalities of this watch. But for now, let's see how it looks. So we keep this, and then this. Okay, not too bad. And watch is so amazing. This is the most best watch I have ever seen in my life. So that's the Starlight Watch Series 7. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.